Hello guys, this is what I'm going to be building for Nae's birthday, her 8th birthday. She's going to be ecstatic when she sees it. She's going to be over the moon. Yes, she is. So come and join me in building this beautiful piece and give her the birthday that she deserves. So all I'm doing now is getting all the pieces laid out, ready. As you can see here. The first wall going up. This is the inside. And this is the outside. See that little bench there? Where Nae can go sit down and read her books. A little window that she can look out of, look in. It's a three-story townhouse mansion. 3-story Dollshouse mansion. As you can see, I got the first wall up, yeah, and I'm fitting the laminate flooring. Just getting in this flooring now. So that's it. This is the second wall that's going up now. This is what we've done so far. It's coming on, guys. It's coming on, guys. Look at this. Getting the second floor on. It's coming on. It's coming on. It's coming. The house is coming on. What do you think so far, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. To the front door, we're going inside. We're going inside. all done. Just going to put the furniture in now. We're good to go.